State of play for the bathroom renovations. You can see the renovators have put a covering on the carpet, which is good, and they've put a dust inhibiting net at the top of the stairs. The tools here on the floor, sealed off our bedroom, my master bedroom, and Hayley's bedroom, and the spare bedroom, and we've put in here the mirror from the bathroom, the door, two pictures we had on the wall out here that were here on the wall. They had to take them down because of the chance they were going to knock them off. Alright, so the renovations. Well, this is my bathroom 3 hours after the renovators came and started work. This is where the shower was. Where those two plastic buckets are was the bath. And that plug right there is where the toilet was. And our long cabinet was here. And that's where the mirror was. All gone. So this is the tilers getting ready to mix up their cement to tile the bathroom. And they reckon it'll take several days to do the job. Anyway, it's all happening. Aeroplane flying over. So this is all going to be the mixture to put the tiles.
Yeah.
The cement for the tiles.
Yeah. Yep. And we'll get all the levels right. Make sure what falls into the bathroom.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got no idea what that is. I don't know. Anyway, it's all good. So the waterproofing's been done. Map on the wall of where everything's going, and tiling starting today. Well, this is the after. So all that sand that was mixed has been levelled so that tiling can commence. And this outlet here for water is going to be redone and lowered down to put on a bench. It'll be down here somewhere. Alright, so it's all starting to come together. So tiling, floor tiling is supposed to be starting tomorrow. So this is day 4. Well, tiling's well underway. I think here we've got fixtures and fittings. Not quite sure why this is here. It's a spare tile, but oh no, that's his mixing board that he mixes up his grout. Okay, so the tiling's all done, the grout's all done, and we're just waiting on the bench that's going to go here, the bathroom bench cupboard. And once that's installed, then the mirror will be placed back on the wall here. We've already had the guy come and measure for the shower screens just here, and shower screen will go along the bottom and across the top of the bath. And so once those two are put in and the fixtures and fittings, it'll be done. And then it'll be on to the ensuite. Well, guess who has a new bathroom? All finished. New bath, new shower, new bathroom bench, new toilet, new tiles on the floor and the wall. But the mirror is the same mirror as we had before. And the tiles go all the way up to the ceiling, which they didn't before. So, is Mrs. Lane happy? You bet your life she is. Stage 2, bathroom renovations of the ensuite. So we have all of the drop sheets protecting our clothes and possessions from the dust. And same with the bedroom. Trying to keep the dust off the furniture. And this is day 2. Day 1 they gutted it, and today they're going to put the plaster back up on the walls. Plumber was here yesterday, the guys gutted it and the plumber came, did all the plumbing, and today it's replaster. Right. Day 2 of the ensuite renovations. Let's walk in, have a look and see what's happened so far. So all the tiles have been removed. The plumber has been plumbed in the shower outlets here and the tap outlets, and they've put the plaster on the walls and laid the new base for the floor, and then tomorrow the waterproofer comes in and waterproofs the whole lot. So there we are, that's where we're up to. End of day 2. Progress is being made on our ensuite. It's fit out today. Tiling was finished 2 days ago. And we have the insert for the vanity, which is here. Tiling's all complete. So this will be the shower recess. Have to be measured up for the glass. And tiling all done, and today and tomorrow it'll be fit out. Mrs. Lane, you're live. What have we got?
We have a lovely new bathroom.
Ensuite.
Ensuite. Bathroom. Ensuite. We have a flash toilet.
Show me how it works.
It's rimless.
The lid.
The lid.
Removing the lid.
Oh, removing
the seat.
The seat. I think we just press a button and it just comes up.
So you can
How
clean.
clean is that? How easy is that?
I'm going to love that.
You are. There's no rim around the front, so nothing can get stuck up there.
Shut the lid.
Very good. I need to get a little thing for here.
Tiles to the roof.
Tiles
Short
to
on
the
toilet
roof.
paper.
Plenty of toilet
I had to
paper.
rage downstairs to do that.
There's plenty of toilet paper in the spare cupboard. There's a dirt up there, the glue.
Yeah.
It'll need to be cleaned off somehow. Have this fancy drawer. A lovely cupboard with 2 shelves instead of 1 that we've never had before. Beautiful rain shower. So in here we have our rain shower.
What's that thing in the wall?
And we have our little cupboard in the wall. So
What's
we
that
don't...
called? It's got a name.
Cubby hole. Niche. Niche. Very flash. We have a new squeegee weegee to clean the walls with. Have to hang it somewhere on the wall in the glass. All very flash.
Right, so it's all finished. 2 bathrooms.
And we can use it.
We can use it.